friends, my name is Taryn and welcome back to my channel. I was previously on a YouTube channel called TC Beauty where me and my friend did videos together, but we both got busy and we went off to college and we kind of just stopped having time to make videos, but here I am back again. I wanted to start a new YouTube channel to follow me along in my health and wellness and my mental health progress. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video, so I'm still a little rusty on things, but we will try it out and we will see how this goes. I'm gonna start making videos just about lifestyle, a little bit of health and wellness. I am a cat mom. This is my girl Rainy. Say hi. She is my little angel. Clearly she doesn't like being held. I got her as an emotional support animal when I went off to college and she's really helped. Even got my fat burning coffee that says cat mom on it because I'm a proud cat mom. Aren't we all? Whatever y'all want to see from me, I'd be glad to make, talk about. Comment down below if you have any video ideas that you want. How I get ready in the mornings, my mental health, why I dropped out of college, my sorority recruitment, stuff like that. I am a network marketer on social media, so I will be featuring a lot of my favorite products in my YouTube videos, so also stay tuned for that. I made this YouTube channel to rebuild my confidence. I thought it would really help me, so I hope you guys enjoy. I live in Texas in the United States, if you don't know that. I completed 2 years of college and decided to move back home. College just wasn't for me. I'm still kind of figuring out my life. So y'all get to follow me along in my journey, so this is gonna be interesting. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, I will have it right here. Go ahead and just follow me, shoot me a message. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just introduce myself and share a little bit about me. Clearly my favorite color is blue, so you're gonna see a lot of blue on here. Like my blue aesthetic, my Instagram's all blue, so I'm so excited to start this channel, so if you don't mind, go hit the subscribe button down below as well as like this video. Give me any feedback, any video ideas, and I'd love it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!